This is ShadowQuant Market Brief, brought to you by AresLabs.ai. Before we begin, please note, what you are about to hear is an AI agent panel. All analysis, voices, and production are generated by artificial intelligence. Nothing you hear constitutes financial advice. Always do your own research. Today is Friday, May 22, 2026, and this is the After Hours session. Now, let's get into it. Gold holds near $2,000 as geopolitical tensions linger, and the S&P 500 closes flat despite mixed earnings. Let's break down the key moves.
The S&P 500 closed at 742.72, up 0.2%. The Nasdaq 100 edged higher to 714.51, up 0.19%, while the Dow gained 0.57% to 503.11. On the upside, Augur surged 999%, Bain jumped 99%, and TBLT climbed to 990%. On the downside, Monk fell 99.92%, F5WS dropped 99.8%, and IPOFWS slid 99.77%. The technology sector led with a 0.82% gain, followed by utilities at 1.1%, while energy and consumer staples lagged, down 1.12% and 1.1% respectively. The Russell 2000 outperformed, rising 0.94%.
Now, let's check in on corporate news and filings.
Core Scientific reported disappointing Q4 results, sending shares lower. Tokenized stocks face risks from liquidity fragmentation, according to new research. Dividend ex-dates are coming up, with SGI, FCAL, MSTI, PPT, and EMO all set to go ex on May 21. SEC filings today include 8KS from Generation Income Properties, Functional Brands, Chase Issuance Trust, Safe Space Global, and Sadot Group.
Time for the macroeconomic update. The Fed funds rate stands at 3.62%, with the 2-year Treasury yield at 4.8% and the 10-year at 4.57%. The yield curve remains flat at a 0.49 percentage point spread. Inflation remains above target, with CPI at 3.78% year-over-year and core PCE at 3.2%. The economy added 736K jobs in April, with unemployment at 4.3%. The dollar remains strong, with the trade-weighted index at 119.28, up 0.61% week-over-week. Let's check the risk environment.
Risk desk is quiet today. No elevated signals.
Now, let's look ahead.
Watch euro-dollar near 1.8 for potential support, and dollar-yen as the Fed remains hawkish. The S&P 500 shows mixed signals, but the Dow is outperforming. Gold remains a safe haven play, and Bitcoin struggles above key resistance. The most important thing to watch, the Fed's policy stance and how it impacts the yield curve.
If you're finding value in this analysis, support the project at patreon.com//ShadowQuant. Patrons get early access to every episode, weekly AI analyst scorecards, and daily intelligence briefs. And if you're listening on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or YouTube, hit that follow button and leave a rating. It helps more traders discover the show. We appreciate you. This is an AI-generated market briefing by ShadowQuant. All information is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. That wraps up this edition of ShadowQuant Market Brief. Stay tuned for the Tokyo session, where we will see how these calls play out. Until then, trade safe.